Most of it formed close to the ground, so the weather radars couldn't really see it, except for one strange reading right over the Sunor oil refinery. Our meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen explains that's called industrial snow.
A cold blast of Arctic air slid onto the Colorado Front Range Wednesday morning and got trapped up against the foothills. You can see the cloud layer in this shot looking down from Walker Ranch. The Denver metro is somewhere under those stratus clouds. The air in there was just cold enough to create some snow in the area, but that layer of clouds was so low that the radar beam shot over the top and didn't detect many of the flakes, except in one spot. Look at this batch of snow that did show up on radar right over the Sunor oil refinery. This is likely an example of industrial snow, when industrial processes create or enhance snowfall. Here's how it works. Sunor was burning waste gases in the morning, a process called flaring. That added more heat to the air and caused the air to rise and condense more clouds and higher clouds. That would explain why the radar could pick up the snow there. There was also water vapor in the waste, which added more moisture to the air. Extra moisture equals extra snow. And the pollutants coming from the Sunor refinery added little particles for the snow crystals to form around. They're called condensation nuclei. You might be surprised to know that at the center of every snowflake is a particle of pollution. Usually dust, pollen, smoke, or metals, but industrial pollution can also do the job. But snow can't form without it. So is industrial snow safe to catch on your tongue? Well, the EPA has a standard level for all pollutants which they consider unsafe for human consumption, and none of the pollution in our snow will exceed those levels. However, the air in Denver Wednesday was not safe to breathe. The Colorado Health Department did issue an air quality alert because the same inversion that trapped the clouds at the surface also trapped all of Denver's pollution. Meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen, 9 News.
Yeah.